Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. Welcome back to my bar. Today we're going to talk about the Mai Tai. Now, the Mai Tai is one of the most well-known drinks and also one that is made wrong 99% of the time. If you go out to a restaurant or a bar and you order a Mai Tai, you're probably going to get, if it's a decent place, a big hurricane glass like this filled with something that looks like Hawaiian Punch. That is not a Mai Tai. Mai Tai is not red. It doesn't have fruit juice in it. I know it doesn't make sense, but the reason that you get this thing is because most bars don't have the stuff to make it, and more importantly, they really don't know how. So let's make a real one. To make a real Mai Tai, you don't need a bunch of junk. You don't need grenadine. You don't need fruit juices. You need a shaker with ice and a lowball glass filled with ice. You're going to need lime juice. You're also going to need an orange liqueur. Now, traditionally, you'd use orange curacao. This right here is homemade orange curacao. You could also use triple sec. I actually like this stuff. This is just Drill orange liqueur. Or you could just about use any orange liqueur you want. In fact, you could even make this thing blue if you wanted and use some blue curacao. But just don't use Grand Marnier. If you want to use Cointreau, I guess it's up to you, but it's kind of expensive to do it that way. That's basically what this is. So just a simple orange liqueur. Then we're going to need two more things. We're going to need some orgeat. Orgeat is just almond syrup. You can buy this stuff online. You can buy it at a lot of decent liquor stores. I've got a few different kinds. You can even get some that has alcohol in it if you want. But you just need an orgeat, a decent orgeat. Last but not least is the most important part. Well, actually, the important part, and that's rum. Now, here's the cool thing about a Mai Tai. You can change the flavor depending on rum. Some people will just use one rum, and that's fine, but I don't like it that way. I want some depth. So generally, the way I'll make it is I'll use a dark rum like Myers, and then just a basic white rum like Bacardi. But if you want to mix this up a little bit, if you don't like really dark rum, it's okay to use something in an aged rum, like an Appleton Estate or something like that. That's fine. A little less heavy flavor than if you use the Myers. But for this, we're going to use these objects here to make a Mai Tai. So I juiced a lime, and I got just short of an ounce of lime juice, which is about right. 3/4 to 1 ounce will do just fine. It is the base flavor. So I'm going to put that in my shaker, and to that, I'm going to add my orgeat. Now for this, you don't need a lot, about 1/2 to 3/4 of an ounce, depending on, obviously, how big a cocktail you're making. And by the way, if you're allergic to nuts, you can't have one of these. Almond syrup, right? All right, to that, we're going to add about 1/2 ounce to 3/4, depending again, size of the drink, of an orange liqueur. And I'm just going to use just over 1/2 ounce. I love this Drill orange, so good, great flavor, and really brings out the orange accent in this drink. Now for our rum. Now if you're using a 2 rum combination, your darker rum should be the heaviest flavor. So it also should be the biggest amount. So for this, I'm going to use about 1.5 ounces of the Myers Black traditional dark Jamaican rum. And then last but not least, I'm going to use 1 ounce of the white rum, and I'm just going to use Bacardi. And you can use any rum combination you want. Just use one that's darker than the other. If you want to add a little flavor to this, you could even use like a pineapple rum. I've done that. It's pretty good. Now at this point, we're just going to shake this up. We're going to strain it over fresh ice in a low ball. And you notice it is not Hawaiian Punch. Far from it. It's got that nice orangey color with a little froth on top. That's what a Mai Tai is supposed to look like. And I promise you, once you've had this, you won't want that junk that comes in that giant tall glass bar. Oh, simply my absolute favorite cocktail. I prefer most of my liquor neat, but this is good. Till next time, if you would have questions, comments, please put them right here on this video. If you'd like me to make something, all you got to do is tell me what it is. If food, drink, tour around Wichita, whatever it might be, let me know. And drink and eat fabulous. And I'll see you on the next one.